Alright guys, so I've been riding my bike and it's got a little bit over, I want to say over 1,500 miles. Oh, 13. And it's time to adjust the chain on my bike. It's real loose. And over here it looks like it's rubbing on this top part. That's when I noticed it actually. So I went ahead and bought a pit bull stand. And today is my first time using it, but we'll see how it goes. Over here it says that the chain should be in the range of 25 to 35 millimeters, or 1 inch to 1.4. And I'm about to measure it and see where we land at. It's just kind of sketchy, like getting it on here. Oh, we'll see. Because it gets on one side, it just doesn't get on the other. And it says to check the motorcycle while on the stand, the slack. So that's what we're doing. This shit is sketchy as fuck. Bam. But I was reading the reviews online and this was one of the best stands you can buy. I almost bought a Harbor Freight one until I saw the reviews and how they're all flimsy. But this one's pretty solid. But anyways, we got it up on the stand. Come here. And then I bought these little holders. I forgot what he named them, but those were about 25 bucks a piece. So you're able to slide this little hook onto the bike. But the problem that I'm having now is that I don't know if I have the tools to actually adjust it. This is all I have at home. It's like your general mechanic set. And I need a ratchet and a socket with this size. Looks like it's a 21 or something. And then I need wrenches to move this back and forth with little notches. And then same thing on the other side. I need like, I gotta take this off first. And I gotta take off the cotter pin that it has. I don't even think I have pliers for that, but I can probably use a screwdriver. And then I also need another, like the same size socket on the other side, which I don't have at home. I don't think I do. So I think I'm gonna leave this till another day. So I haven't been riding the bike or anything, so that's why I bought a battery tender for it and everything, because my battery already died on it once. So I went and picked up a Noco Genius 5, and it's been charging ever since, and I haven't had any battery issues. So that is definitely worth having. What do you know? I opened up my other tool drawer, or this little tool set, and I found an adjustable wrench And I found this. And this one seems to be the size. So I guess I can go ahead and do it. I've never done this before, guys, so if you see this video and you're like, oh, you know, I can do that, do all of this at your own risk, because I work on cars and I have like a general idea about what I'm doing, but I've never done this before. But yeah, just keep that in mind. I mean, it looks simple, it looks easy, but there's a few things that go into it. I was watching about how once you start messing with this, you start messing with the rear wheel alignment, and this is the only tire that's adjustable. The front one isn't adjustable at all. So this one could be leaning to one side if it's not done properly. That's why I also didn't want to do it like right now. They sell a tool that you put on the chain and it tells you if the tire's straight, or you can also measure from the sprocket to the nut back here, and if you're on the same side, it's the same length, then you're good. But on some bikes, which is most bikes, you can't measure both sides from the sprocket because you have a body part on here. You see? So I wouldn't be able to measure it from here all the way to here because this big old exhaust is back here. So I'm loosely gonna do it, but I'm not entirely gonna do it all the way. I probably won't even ride it until I get that tool to measure to see if I actually have my my chain in line, because I don't want to wear out the rear tire unevenly. But yeah, keep that in mind. Do this at your own risk. Everything you do it at your own risk. Know that the people doing it behind it have some sort of knowledge or are professionals at doing it. So yeah, always keep that in mind. But here we go. Of course. It's a different size than the other size. You know what? I'm just gonna wait, because I'm not all the way set up the way I need to be. I can maybe trim everything, get it set up to where I can just come and do the work. So I may take out this cover, but that's pretty much all I can do. I mean, this thing doesn't fit. I can use my adjustable wrench, but it's a real small one, and I need more leverage. I can probably bust it open, but I don't want to run the risk of tilting this thing over. So I'm just going to call it a day, leave it at that, and come back. So I found it. I just pushed it in and it let it go all the way in and it releases it. Damn it, I might leave it without the chain guard. Maybe not. But that's it, guys. I'm just gonna cut the video here, leave it here, and bring the tools that I need, and we'll continue from there. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you've ever done a motorcycle adjustment on your bike if you ride. But all right, see you guys around.